levodopa, Parkinson drug. 5 amlodipine, calcium channel blocker. 6 penicillin, cell wall inhibitor. 7 heparin, anticoagulant. 8 omeprazole, proton pump inhibitor. 9 diazepam, benzodiazepine. 10 isoniazid, anti-TB drug. 11 atropine, anticholinergic. 12 adrenaline, emergency drug, anaphylaxis. 13 insulin, diabetes treatment. 14 metformin, oral antidiabetic. 15 losartan, ARB antihypertensive. 16 enalapril, ACE inhibitor. 17 digoxin, cardiac glycoside. 18 nitroglycerin, anti-anginal. 19 aspirin, antiplatelet. 20 clopidogrel, antiplatelet. 21 warfarin, oral anticoagulant. 22 spironolactone, potassium-sparing diuretic. 23 hydrochlorothiazide, thiazide diuretic. 24 mannitol, osmotic diuretic. 25 salbutamol, bronchodilator. 26 theophylline, bronchodilator. 27 agonist. 28 prednisolone, corticosteroid. 29 hydrocortisone, steroid. 30 dexamethasone, potent steroid. 31 paracetamol, analgesic antipyretic. 32 ibuprofen. 33 morphine, opioid analgesic. 34 tramadol, weak opioid. 35 diclofenac, and 36 NSAID. 37 lidocaine, local anesthetic. 38 propofol, general anesthetic. 39 ketamine, dissociative anesthetic. 40 halothane, inhalational anesthetic. 41 fluoxetine, SSRI antidepressant. 42 amitriptyline, TCA antidepressant. 43 lithium, mood stabilizer. 44 haloperidol, antipsychotic. 45 risperidone, atypical antipsychotic. 46 clozapine, phenytoin, antiepileptic. 48 antiepileptic. 49 valproate, antiepileptic. 50 diazepam, anticonvulsant. 51 chlorpromazine, antipsychotic. 52 ondansetron, antiemetic. 50 metoclopramide, antiemetic. 54 domperidone, antiemetic. 55 ranitidine, H2 blocker. 56 sucralfate, anti-ulcer. 57 misoprostol, anti-ulcer PG analog. 58 loperamide, antidiarrheal. 59 ORS, rehydration therapy. 60 lactulose, laxative. 61 ciprofloxacin, fluoroquinolone. 62 azithromycin, macrolide. 63 erythromycin, macrolide. 64 tetracycline, protein synthesis inhibitor. 65 doxycycline, tetracycline. 66 gentamicin, aminoglycoside. 67 amikacin, aminoglycoside. 68 vancomycin, glycopeptide. 69 linezolid, oxazolidinone. 70 metronidazole, antiprotozoal. 71 albendazole, anthelmintic. 72 mebendazole, anthelmintic. 74 artesunate, antimalarial. 75 primaquine, antimalarial. 76 acyclovir, antiviral. 77 zidovudine, anti-HIV. 8 nevirapine, anti-HIV. 79 rifampicin, anti-TB. 80 ethambutol, 81 pyrazinamide, anti-TB. 82 streptomycin, anti-TB. Anti-cancer. 84 methotrexate, anti-cancer. 85 cisplatin, anti-cancer. 86 vincristine, anti-cancer. 87 tamoxifen, anti-estrogen. 88
88 levothyroxine, thyroid hormone. 89 propiol thiouracil, antithyroid. 90 carbamazine, antithyroid. 91 oxytocin, uterine stimulant. 92 mixoprostol, erbitofencinate. 93 sildenafil, erectile dysfunction. 94 finasteride, BPH treatment. 95 tamoxifen, BPH treatment. 96 allopurinol, gout drug. 97 colchicine, gout drug. 98 hydroxychloroquine, DMARD. 99 sulfasalazine, DMARD. 100 penicillin is a chelating agent.
$101 atenolol, beta-1 selective. 2 metoprolol, beta-1 blocker. 103 bisoprolol, cardioselective beta blocker. 104 labetalol, alpha plus beta blocker. 105 carvedilol, non-selective beta blocker. 106, verapamil, calcium channel blocker, heart. 107, diltiazem, calcium channel blocker. 108, nifedipine, dihydropyridine. CCB 109, felidipine, CCB 110, nicardipine, CCB 111, ramipril, ACE inhibitor, 112, lisinopril, ACE inhibitor, 113, telmisartan, AR 114, valsartan, ARB 115, olmesartan, ARB 116, clonidine, alpha 2 agonist, 117. Methyl-dopa antihypertensive, central, 118, hydrolazine, vasodilator, 19, minoxidil. Vasodilator, 120, sodium nitroprusside, emergency vasodilator. 121, amiodarone, antiarrhythmic. 122, lidocaine, antiarrhythmic. 23, quinidine, antiarrhythmic. 124, procainamide, antiarrhythmic. 125, sotalol, antiarrhythmic. 126, isosorbide dinitrate, antianginal. 127, ivabradine, heart rate reducer. 128, ranolazine, antianginal. 129, digoxin, CHF drug. 130, dobutamine, inotrope. 131, dopamine, inotrope vasopressor. 132, noradrenaline, vasopressor. 133, phenylephrine, alpha agonist. 134, ephedrine, sympathomimetic. 135, salmeterol, long-acting bronchodilator. 136, formoterol, L-LABA bronchodilator. 137, ipratropium, anticholinergic bronchodilator. 138, tiotropium, long-acting anticholinergic. 139, budesonide, inhaled steroid. 140, beclomethasone, inhaled steroid. 141, codeine, antitussive. 142, dextromethorphan, cough suppressant. 143, bromhexine, mucolytic. 144, ambroxol, mucolytic. 145, acetylcysteine, mucolytic. 146, cetirizine, antihistamine. 147, loratadine, antihistamine. 148, diphenhydramine, sedative antihistamine. 149, fexofenadine, non-sedative antihistamine. 150, chlorpheniramine, antihistamine. Insulin glargine, long-acting insulin. 152, insulin lispro, rapid-acting insulin. 153, glibenclamide, sulfonylurea. 154, glepizide, sulfonylurea. 155, pioglitazone, thiazolidinedione. 156, sitagliptin, DPP-4 inhibitor. 157, vildagliptin, DP4 inhibitor. 158, acarbose, alpha-glucosidase inhibitor. 159, empagliflozin, SGLT2 inhibitor. 160, dapagliflozin, SGLT2 inhibitor. 161, levonorgestrel, emergency contraceptive. 162, ethinyl estradiol, estrogen. 163, progesterone hormone. 164, clomiphene, ovulation inducer. 165, danazol, endometrial. 167, tadalafil, PD5 inhibitor. 168, alprostadil, erectile dysfunction. 169, finasteride, 5-alpha reductase inhibitor. 170, dutasteride, BPH drug. 171, baclofen, muscle relaxant. 172, tizanidine, muscle relaxant. 173, dantrolene, relaxant. Myasthenia gravis. 176, atropine antidote, organophosphate. 177, pralidoxime, OP poisoning antidote. 178, N-acetylcysteine, paracetamol antidote. 179, flumazenil, benzodiazepine antidote. 180, vitamin K, warfarin antidote. 181, protamine sulfate, heparin antidote. 182, deferoxamine, iron chelator. 183, EDTA, lead chelator. 184, dimercaprol, arsenic antidote. 185, penicillamine, copper chelator. 6, methotrexate, immunosuppressant. 187, cyclosporin, immunosuppressant. 88, tacrolimus, immunosuppressant. 189, azathioprine, immunosuppressant. 190, mycophenolate, immunosuppressant. 191, adalimumab, TNF inhibitor. 192, infliximab, TNF inhibitor. 190, etanercept, TNF inhibitor. 194, rituximab, anti-CD20 antibody. 195, trastuzumab, HER2 inhibitor. 196, erythropoietin, RBC stimulant. 197, filgrastim, GCSF. 198, alteplase, thrombolytic. 199, streptokinase, thrombolytic. 200, urokinase. clean and easy to read. 201 tenecteplase, thrombolytic. 202 retaplase, thrombolytic. 203 fondaparinux, factor XA inhibitor. 204 apixaban, oral anticoagulant, XA inhibitor. 205 rivaroxaban, oral anticoagulant. 206 dabigatran, direct thrombin inhibitor. 207 bivalirudin, thrombin inhibitor. 208 ticagrelor, antiplatelet. 209 prasugrel, antiplatelet. 210 dipyridamole, antiplatelet. 211 ezetimibe, cholesterol absorption inhibitor. 212 statin. 213 rosuvastatin, statin. 214 simvastatin, statin. 215 fenofibrate, fibrate. 216 niacin, lipid-lowering drug. 217 cholesevolum, bile acid sequestrant. 218 cholestyramine, bile acid binder. 219 orlistat, anti-obesity drug. 220 glutide, GLP-1 agonist. 221 semaglutide, GLP-1 agonist. 220 exenatide, GLP-1 agonist. 223 pramlintide, amylin analog. 224 desmopressin, ADH analog. 225 vasopressin, ADH. 226 tolvaptan, ADH antagonist. 227 conivaptan, ADH antagonist. 228 spironolactone, aldosterone antagonist. 229 eplerenone, aldosterone antagonist. 230 amiloride, potassium-sparing diuretic. 231 triamterene, potassium-sparing diuretic. 232 acetazolamide, carbonic anhydrase inhibitor. 233 dorzolamide, CA inhibitor I. 234 brinzolamide, CA inhibitor. 235 mannitol, osmotic diuretic. 236 pilocarpine, muscarinic agonist. 237 bethanacol, muscarinic agonist. 238 scopolamine, anticholinergic. 239 glycopyrrolate, anticholinergic. 240 tropicamide, midriatic. 241 phenobarbital, barbiturate. 242 thiopental, barbiturate anesthetic. 243 zolpidem, non-benzodiazepine, hypnotic. 244 zopiclone, hypnotic. 245 esopiclone, hypnotic. 246 buspirone, anxiolytic. 247 meprobamate, anxiolytic. 248 chloral hydrate, sedative. 249 hydroxyzine, anxiolytic antihistamine. 250 melatonin, sleep regulator. 251 sertraline, SSRI. 252 paroxetine, SSRI. 253 citalopram, SSRI. 254 escitalopram, SSRI. 255 venlafaxine, SNRI. 256 duloxetine, SNRI. 57 bupropion, NDRI antidepressant. 258 mirtazapine, NASA antidepressant. 259 trazodone antidepressant. 260 imipramine, TCA. 261 nortriptyline, TCA. 62 desipramine, T63 clomipramine, TCA. 264 selegiline, MAOB inhibitor. 265 rasagiline, MAOB inhibitor. 266 sumatriptan, anti-migraine. 267 rizatriptan, anti-migraine. 268 ergotamine, anti-migraine. 269 topiramate, anti-epileptic. 270 lamotrigine, anti-epileptic. 271 levetiracetam, anti-epileptic. 272 gabapentin, neuropathic pain. 273 pregabalin, neuropathic pain. 274 vigabatrin, anti-epileptic. 275 ethosuximide, absence seizure drug. 276 probenecid, uricosuric. 277 febuxostat, xanthine oxidase inhibitor. 278 sulfenpyrazone, uricosuric. 279 allopurinol, xanthine oxidase inhibitor. 280 colchicine, anti-gout. 281 hydroxyurea, anti-cancer. 282 bleomycin, anti-cancer. 283 doxorubicin, anti-cancer. 284 daunorubicin, anti-cancer. 285 paclitaxel, anti-cancer. 286 docetaxel, anti-cancer. 287 imatinib, tyrosine kinase inhibitor. 288 gefitinib, EGFR inhibitor. 289 erlotinib, EGFR inhibitor. 290 bevacizumab, VEGF inhibitor. 291 interferon alpha, antiviral immunotherapy. 292 ribavirin, antiviral. 293 sofosbuvir, antihepatitis C. 294 ledipasvir, anti-HCV. 25 remdesivir, antiviral. 296 oseltamivir, anti-influenza. 297 zanamivir, anti-influenza. 298 amphotericin B, antifungal. 299 fluconazole. One-line answers. 301 to clean and easy to read. 301 ketoconazole, antifungal. 302 clotrimazole, antifungal. 303 nystatin, antifungal. 304 graziolvin, antifungal. 305 caspofungin, antifungal. 306 mycofungin antifungal, 307 terbinafine antifungal, 308 flucytosine antifungal, 309 voriconazole antifungal, 310 posaconazole, 11 acyclovir, anti-HSV, 312 valacyclovir, anti-HSV, 3-ganciclovir, anti-CMV, 314, foscarnet, antiviral, 3 and 15 lemivudine, anti-HBV, 316, tenofovir, anti-HBV, 328, mefloquine, antimalarial, 329, artemether, antimalarial, 330, lumefantrine, antimalarial, quinine, antimalarial, 332, malarial, 333 pyrimethamine, antimalarial, 334 sulfadoxine, antimalarial, 335 tinidazole, antiprotozoal, 336 nitazoxanide, antiprotozoal, 337 ornidazole, antiprotozoal, 338 secnidazole, antiprotozoal, 339 ivermectin, antiparasitic, 340 diethylcarbamazine, antifilarial, 341 praziquantel anthelmintic, 342 niclosamide anthelmintic, 343 piperazine anthelmintic, 344 levamisole anthelmintic, 3 and 45 albendazole, broad anthelmintic, 346 mebendazole anthelmintic, 347 sulfadiazine sulfonamide, 348 sulfamethoxazole sulfonamide, 39 trimethoprim DHFR inhibitor, 350 cotrimoxazole combination antibiotic, 351 linezolid oxazolidinone, 352 tedazolid oxazolidinone, 353 tigecycline glycylcycline, 354 chloramphenicol broad-spectrum antibiotic, 355 phosphomycin urinary antibiotic, 356 nitrofurantoin UTI drug, 357 rifabutin anti-TB, 58 rifapentine anti-TB, 3-fecolaquilin anti-TB, 360 delaminid anti-TB, 361 thalidomide immunomodulator, 362 lenalidomide immunomodulator, 363 pomalidomide immunomodulator, 364 cyclophosphamide alkylating agent, 365 ifosfamide alkylating agent, 366 busulfan alkylating agent, 367 melphalan alkylating agent, 368 cisplatin platinum compound, 369 carboplatin platinum drug, 370 oxaliplatin platinum drugs, 371 methotrexate antimetabolite, 372 5-fluorouracil antimetabolite, 373 cytarabine antimetabolite, 374 gemcitabine antimetabolite, 375 capecitabine antimetabolite, 376 vinblastine vinca alkaloid, 377 vincristine vinca alkaloid, 378 etoposide topoisomerase inhibitor, 379 irinotecan topoisomerase inhibitor, 380 topotecan topoisomerase inhibitor, 381 tamoxifen estrogen receptor blocker, 382 anastrozole aromatase inhibitor, 383 letrozole aromatase inhibitor, 384 exemestane aromatase inhibitor, 385 luprolide GnRH analog, 386 goserelin GnRH analog, 387 octreotide somatostatin analog, 380 octreotide somatostatin analog, 389 pegvisomant GH antagonist, 390 somatropin growth hormone, 391 calcitonin anti-osteoporosis, 392 alendronate bisphosphonate, 390 dronate bisphosphonate, 394 zoledronic acid bisphosphonate, 395 denosumab rankle inhibitor, 396 teriparatide PTH analog, 397 raloxifene SRM, 398 basidoxifene SRM, 399 clomiphene ovulation inducer, 400 human chorionic gonadotropin fertility hormone,